Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So to take a screenshot, use one of the following combination. The first combination contains 3 keys, which are Windows, Shift and S buttons. So you can either press 3 of them together or simply press the print screen button, which is located right here. And this way you will open up the bar at the top of your screen, and using this bar you'll have to first select the snip option right here, so make it selected, colored white, and then you'll be able to select one of the 4 available options for your screenshot. The first one is a rectangular screenshot, and to take a rectangular screenshot you have to select an area of your screen that you want to take snip. Once the area is selected, you'll be able to open the preview of your screenshot by clicking on the notification. Using these quick tools you'll be able to change your screenshot, modify it however you want, crop it if you like, and then click save to save by right here. And if you want to find your screenshot, you'll have to open the file explorer, go to pictures, then go to screenshots, and in the screenshots folder let's sort it by date, and the last screenshot that we took, it will be the screenshot that was took just now. Now let's go to the next screenshot options, and the next one will be Windows screenshot. To take a Windows screenshot you simply have to select a window that you want to take a screenshot of, click on it, and just like this the screenshot will be taken, and it will look somewhat like this. So the following option is the full screen screenshot. Basically if you click on this option, the screenshot will be taken immediately, and it's basically just a screenshot of your full screen. And the last option is the Freeform screenshot, and it's just like the rectangular one, except for you can draw any form, any shape that you like on your laptop, like this, and the screenshot will be taken, and it will look somewhat like this depending on the shape that you drew on your screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.